Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Amy Lance, furniture artist in the UK, and in today's episode I'm going to be teaching you how to do faux rust using only chalk paint. It's imperative if you really want to get the same or similar authentic look that you do not skip any steps in this video, parts of the process. I'm just putting the colours down at the moment. Nothing else, just the background at the moment. And this Dalmeester brush I've had about over a year now. It's really, really good. Using this Ready Mix filler, all purpose. Just gonna... don't think I'm gonna need this big one after all. Here I'm wiping and swiping up beside the chair, the poly filler, and I like to leave gaps because it gives a more organic look. I know the poly filler can't be dried completely with the hairdryer, however I'm just partly drying it so that I can apply some paint. This is by Little Green and this is called Yellow Pink. I like using Little Green paint because it's got the lowest VOC. Before that gets dry I can paint dirty concrete. More drips. All over, making a right mess. It's nice making a mess on purpose. Quite therapeutic. Come on, not really messy. Messier the better. I'm getting some Florida orange, putting into one of these little pots. So I've got my Florida orange with my brown. Got some Tree Frog. Here I'm adding Fusion's mineral paint, which is Fort York Red. Oh Pip, it's not a good time. Yeah, that's made brown. Oh dear. My apologies. You're gonna curl up behind me, are you? More burgundy. That burgundy I mixed as well before with red and black. Yeah. Sort of chestnut. Got paint on my best leggings. Oops. Lots of Jack. Here's Jack Black. This is Intelligent Eggshell and it's water based and it's eco-friendly. And it's also part of the National Trust. Yeah. Just there. There. Another tip for you, when you're doing rusty ginger, around the edges of the rusty ginger do black, then blend the black into the edges of the ginger. Also any edges of the poly filler, just around the edges tuck that black in, and then blend the black with brown on top and then blend the brown inwards to the light colours. You can see me do this in the episode in the end card, the top right hand corner of the screen. And here you can see I'm adding the brown over the top of the black. This gives the faux rust more depth. How I build my layers is I start from black, add brown on top and then ginger, and then I might go back to black and then brown and then ginger and then blend that into the light colours. Some grey, there, drips, that in a little bit. Right, hairdryer time. Pip, I'm going to be noisy. I always warn Pip about this because she's quite jumpy, so if I pre-warn her, I'm going to be noisy. She knows the word. Noisy! Noisy, Pip, noisy. Going to be noisy. And now onto time lapse. And here I'm adding an earthy green, almost like a grey but green. You'll also notice as I go along I'm adding the lights through to darks and back again.